Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time on mobile. First, open the Play Store on your mobile device and search for Clone app. You'll see several options appear. Choose any reliable one from the list and tap on Install. Once the app is installed, open it and agree to any permissions or terms by tapping on Allow and Agree. Next, tap on Settings inside the Clone app, then turn on the toggle for Allow access to manage all files. This will let the Clone app duplicate other apps properly. Now, tap the plus icon to start cloning. From the list of installed apps, tap on Roblox, then tap Clone. The clone version of Roblox will be created and added to your home screen or inside the Clone app. Now, open the cloned Roblox app and either create a new account or sign in with a different one. After that, go back and open the original Roblox app. You can now use two Roblox accounts at the same time, one in the original app and one in a cloned version. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.